So, good evening, Mr. Laconia. This is my output 2.1. Is all about HTML and HTML tags. So, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard language used to create and design web page. HTML is like the skeleton of a website. It structures the content such as text, image, and links so that browsers can display them properly. Second, HTML tags under functions. HTML uses tags, which are words enclosed in angle bracket like this. Opening tag and closing tags. Tags usually come in pairs, an opening tag and a closing tag. For example, opening tag P and closing tag. Let's go over the most common ones. First, letter A. Opening tag HTML and closing tags. This tag tells the browser that the document is written in HTML. It is the root tag, and all other tags are written inside it. B. Opening tags, head, and closing tags. This tag contains information about the web page. Like the title and metadata, it doesn't appear in the actual page. C. Opening tags, body, closing tags. This tag holds everything that is visible on the web page, like text, image, and links. D. Opening tags, H1, closing tags. This is a heading tag. Opening tag, H1, closing tag, is the largest and most important heading. There are also opening tags, H2, and closing tags to opening tags, H6, to closing tags for smaller headings. E. Center. This tag is used to align text or content to the center of the page. F. Closing tags, P. Opening tags. The P tag defines a paragraph. It automatically adds spacing before and after the text. G. BR. This tag means line break. It moves the text to the next line, and it doesn't need a closing tag. H. A. The opening tag A, closing tag is used to create hyperlinks. It lets you link to another web page or website. I. Opening tag, B, closing tag. This tag makes the text bold. Letter J. Opening tag, I, and opening closing tag. This tag makes the text italicized, often used for emphasis. K. U. This tag underlines the text. I. Opening tag, HR, closing tag. This tag adds a horizontal line across the page, often used to separate sections. M. Opening tag, IMG, closing tags. This tag is used to insert an image on the web page. It requires the sources contribute to specify the image file location. And lastly, N. Opening tag, font, closing tag. The font tag is used to change the font style, size, or color of the text.